guys what's happening, how to use digital wallets safely for your cryptocurrency investments. So you can first choose a secure wallet, use a reputable wallets like Kraken, Ledger wallet, or Trezor, right? The hardware, or MetaMask Trust wallet. Okay, so this is a reputable wallet that you can use to secure your investment. Next, I use a strong password when trying to log in, right? For example, I use Kraken wallet, right? Make sure to add a strong password, right? When you try to sign in, okay? And let basically the password be strong, right? Where you can basically secure your own account, right? Avoid any simple passwords and make sure to add a strong password. Okay, now I'm using this strong password, and I'm gonna use also the two-factor authentication, which we're gonna actually bring up. Right after you log in using your account, make sure to enable the two-factor authentication. Right, click your profile icon at the top left, right, and you're gonna be able to see the multiple options. Go ahead to the account details, and you're gonna be able right here to see username, email address, and everything. Go back and go to the features and limit. Right, go back, and you're gonna go ahead, scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna find the two-factor authentication or security, basically security option. Yeah, right here. Yeah, security. So go ahead and click security, and you're gonna see that two-factor authentication. You can use passkeys or use authenticator if that didn't work out. Okay, keep private keys offline, store them securely, and never share your keys, private keys, right? And be aware of phishing scams. Always double check URLs and never click suspicious links, and regularly update software. If you downloaded Kraken, for example, you're gonna go ahead to Kraken, right? From your App Store or Google Play. Sometimes they don't notify you that there is a new update. So go ahead and check for yourself. Ensure your wallet and security patches are up to date, and you can always use cold storage for large holdings. Keep most of your funds in an offline wallet. Pro tip, always double check transactions before confirming to prevent costly mistakes. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.